Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to go ahead and plan meals for the week on Ladder. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly, so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing we want to do is to go ahead and open up the official Ladder application if you have not already. So if you do not already have it downloaded, what you want to do is go ahead and open up the App Store on your mobile phone, open up the App Store, search for Ladder, find the application and install it. So after installing and opening it up, this is going to be the home page you are greeted by. From this main page, we can get started with using the application. First thing you're going to do is to go and choose the team you want to be a part of right here in the bottom right corner. So go ahead and filter out the teams, find which one suits you the best, and now we can get started following that team's workouts right here on the home page. So let's go and take a look at how to plan meals for the week. What we're going to be using is this nutrition tab right here in the bottom right corner. As you can see, we have the nutrition tab that we can tap on. That's going to enable us to set up our tracking. So with this, tracking is going to be made easy and you are going to go and be able to plan your meals, and you're going to go and be able to calculate your water, steps, macros, whatever you need, protein, calories, all of that is going to be doable within the nutrition tab. But as you see, you need a premium subscription, so keep in mind Ladder cannot be used for free. You need to have a premium plan, and once you've gotten that, you're going to go and be able to access the nutrition tab right here alongside your workouts and get started with planning your meals. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, take care and bye.